I'm out in the garage today working on a piece of furniture that I've had out here for seriously 1 year, since last March. This is my mom's hutch. When my mom had it, my mom actually bought it in 1986, and I remember when she brought it home. So mom had it for a really long time, and the legs actually rotted out. So I couldn't find any replacement legs that were wide enough to fit this. So these are actually stair balusters from Home Depot, $7 that we cut off. And then we bondoed that little spot. So we used a, we filled that gap with Bondo and used a double-sided screw kind of thing to screw these up in there. So the front moldings, a couple of those were also missing. Then I used Sculpey to make a mold. So once it's painted, you won't even be able to tell that all of these molding pieces were missing. So I'm hoping to get through the primer stage today and then paint it tomorrow. So I have everything taped. This is how I do my drawers. So I can just do a quick swipe here, one down the sides here. Doors are taped. Hutch is taped. I'm not painting the inside of these or the inside of the doors. These I don't care about because you won't see the drawers. It's prime time. Still have to do the top, but now that I'm looking at it, I missed a spot. Getting ready to do round 2 to hit all the spots that I missed and get the top. So the insides are all unpainted. The drawers are nice and tidy, and it still smells like candles. My mom kept her candles in here. I don't know if you guys remember, I redid this. The legs came off and I redid it with some stair spindles. And then when we moved, they took these off and the thing is so unsturdy that you can't really open it. It's all shimmed up. So it's not super safe and not really functional unless we were to put a lot more time into it. Also, this is really gross looking, so. Hubs and I are gonna build something to go right there and use these. So it's not painted yet. So I'm gonna try to paint this thing. I'm painting this thing today. But first, I'm patching all of these holes. We just put it together with staples, actually. It's gonna be peat, which is an olive green color. So I just got this first strip of edge banding added, and I can't believe how good it looks. Look at it compared to that. It looks so good. Okay, all of the edge banding is done. And then I patched where the seams meet. Now I get to sand it and then paint it. All this bullshit made me miss my booths. so much. This is the last time I'm ever painting furniture with just a roller and a brush.